Hello guys! Good afternoon from Portugal. Olá a todos. Boa tarde. Mais dia de luta. Vamos chegar a ganhar. Hoje eu tenho 20 euros de são. Okay? Obviously it's a matching number game. Okay? Let's start. Vamos começar. Can I use Eternity Lock, Scratcher? So we're looking for this. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. 16, 33, 29, 28, 11, 30, 22, 43, 18, 39, 29, 42, 38, 35, 19. I thought I have 19, guys. No. 13. 44. 34. 27. 31. 37. 17. A lot of sevens. 26. 23. 24 y 12. So the first ticket obviously is a loser. Okay, so not a winner. Let's go to ticket number 11. Okay, so we're looking for 19, 39, 43, 21, 44. I found the 2x, guys! Nice! Woohoo! 2x 16, 32, 38, 42. I started with ticket number 12 and this is ticket number 11. Okay, 42, 14, 18 that I needed in the first ticket is here, 34, 35, 11, 13, 29, 28, 26, 36, 17, now 23, now I scratch so fast, 33 that I needed in the first ticket, 37 y 27. 2x. Come on. But I think I know already how much is this because the letters. 2x 10. Nice. Okay, so for me this is good. Getting back my money is good. I knew that it was a winner because I saw the letter E. Okay, so I got back my money. It's good. I didn't lose any money today. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao.